Hello students, in previous video we were discussing about the upper air, this factor upper air circulation, how this factor upper air circulations affect the climate of India. Now in this video we will discuss about the western cyclonic disturbances and the tropical cyclone. Okay, so here is western cyclonic disturbances. Okay, so what is this western cyclonic disturbances? As the term says, western cyclonic disturbances. So question might come in 3 marker or 2 marker, 3 marker, that so you must learn this one. What is western cyclonic disturbances? So as the term says, western cyclonic disturbances, so we will frame the definition from this only. So western cyclonic disturbances, it's a kind of disturbances. It's a kind of disturbances. So which kind of disturbances? It's a kind of cyclonic disturbances. Okay, it's a kind of cyclonic disturbances which generates somewhere in the west. Okay, which generates somewhere in the west, that is called western cyclonic disturbances. Okay, now right now I said it generates it's a cyclone, it's a cyclonic disturbances which generates somewhere in the west. Now as I said, somewhere in the west, so where this cyclone develops? So this cyclone develops in the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, this cyclone develops in the Mediterranean Sea. This one is the Mediterranean Sea. This one is the Mediterranean Sea, and this cyclone develops over here in this Mediterranean Sea. Okay, this Mediterranean Sea. Right now, this cyclone. Another feature of this western cyclonic disturbances is that this cyclone mostly develops in the winter season. Okay, mostly develops in the winter season. So what first feature I told you about this western cyclonic disturbances? This is a cyclonic disturbances which develops somewhere in the west of India. Somewhere in the west of India. So India is over here and India का west इधर है. ठीक है, so it is so it develops in the Mediterranean Sea. So first feature, it develops in the Mediterranean Sea. Right now, next question is, if it develops so away from India, then how it comes to India? Okay, how it comes to India? तो इसका अभी थोड़ी देर में आंसर देता हूं मैं. So second feature I told you about this western cyclonic disturbances is that this cyclonic disturbances develops during winter. This cyclonic disturbances develops during winter in the Mediterranean Sea. Now this question, how this cyclone or cyclonic disturbances comes to India during winter? Winter के टाइम में ये इंडिया कैसे पहुंच जाता है? Okay, so students, in the previous topic we were discussing about jet stream, right? We were discussing about jet stream, and this one is the subtropical westerly jet stream. Subtropical westerly jet stream which comes from west and go towards the east, which comes from west and go towards the east. And I had said you about the subtropical westerly jet stream that during winter this subtropical westerly jet stream flow south of Himalaya. This one is Himalaya and south is this one. So this subtropical westerly jet stream flow south of Himalaya. Now this jet stream, again I had said you that this jet stream blow high above the earth surface. Okay, ये भी features मैंने आपको बताया था. Another feature I had said you that the wind speed in this jet stream is very strong during winter. It goes up to 300 km/h. Okay, So this 300 kilometer per hour wind speed which is moving towards the east side brings this cyclone developed in the Mediterranean Sea to India during winter. तो ये इस तरह से पूरे इस एरिया को कवर करते हुए विंटर में ये साइक्लोन इंडिया तक पहुंचता है. ठीक है, इंडिया तक पहुंच जाता है. किस सीजन में? विंटर के सीजन में. नाउ what are the effects of this western cyclonic disturbances when it reaches to India? When this answer is when this western cyclonic disturbances reaches to India, इंडिया में उस टाइम क्या होता है? विंटर होता है. ठीक है, और इंडिया में ये कौन से मंथ में पहुंचता है? इंडिया में ये जनरली जनवरी टू मार्च के बीच में पहुंचता है. ठीक है, जनवरी टू मार्च के बीच में पहुंचता है. तो व्हेन दिस साइक्लोन कम्स टू इंडिया इट कॉजेज विंटर रेन इन दिल्ली, पंजाब, यूपी. ठीक है, इट कॉजेज विंटर रेन इन दिल्ली, पंजाब, यूपी एंड स्नोफॉल इन हायर ऑल्टीट्यूड इन जम्मू कश्मीर, हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड. ठीक है, तो ये नॉर्मली रेन कब होता है इंडिया में? नॉर्मली रेन जो होता है वो मॉनसून के टाइम में होता है. ठीक है, जून और जुलाई के टाइम में. लेकिन विंटर के टाइम में रेन क्यों होता है? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वेस्टर्न साइक्लोनिक डिस्टर्बेंसेस. अभी दिसंबर है, अभी दिसंबर स्टार्ट होने वाला है, उसका जनवरी आएगा. हम लोग इंडिया में विंटर सीजन होगा. इस विंटर सीजन में हम लोग ऑब्जर्व करेंगे कि जनवरी में और फरवरी में भी दिल्ली, पंजाब में बारिश होती है. ठीक है, you must have observed in the previous winter also. So this happens because of the western cyclonic disturbances. Now rainfall happens in the plain area, that is Punjab, UP, Haryana, eastern वेस्टर्न बिहार, यूपी, वहां तक बारिश होती है. और स्नोफॉल कहाँ होता है? हायर ऑल्टीट्यूड पे होता है, जैसे जम्मू कश्मीर, हिमाचल प्रदेश, इन सभी जगहों पे स्नोफॉल होता है. ओके, सो दिस वाज वेस्टर्न साइक्लोनिक डिस्टर्बेंसेस. ओके, नाउ हाउ दिस वेस्टर्न साइक्लोनिक डिस्टर्बेंसेस इज अफेक्टिंग द क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया. हम लोग तो यही पढ़ रहे थे ना कि ये कैसे इंडिया के क्लाइमेट को कैसे अफेक्ट करता है. तो ये जो वेस्टर्न साइक्लोनिक डिस्टर्बेंसेस है, विंटर में रेन आता है. सो बेसिकली इट इज अफेक्टिंग द क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया, राइट. ये विंटर में रेन लाता है और स्नोफॉल भी लाता है, हैवी स्नोफॉल एंड रेनफॉल लाता है. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ this western cyclonic disturbances affects the climate of India. Now ये जो बारिश होती है विंटर के टाइम में, ये बहुत ज्यादा बारिश नहीं होती है, थोड़ी बहुत बारिश होती है. और यह बारिश जो है वो गेहूं की फसल के लिए काफी इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. ओके, नाउ आई एम रीडिंग वॉट एवर आई हैव रिटन इन द नोट्स. Basically I have already discussed these things. So western cyclonic disturbances are weather phenomenon of winter season. Like I said, it comes in India in the winter, brought in India by subtropical westerly jet stream. I showed you in the picture. It brought to India by subtropical westerly jet stream. This cyclone develops in the Mediterranean Sea. So this one is the Mediterranean Sea. This blue color is the Mediterranean Sea. Now this brings snowfall and rain in northern part of India during winter. This brings rainfall and snowfall in the northern part of India. Okay, this rain is very important for the rabi crop. So gehu is a rabi crop, wheat is a rabi crop. Now tropical cyclone, another important factor is tropical cyclone. How this tropical cyclone affects the climate of India. Okay, now before coming to the how it affects, let's understand tropical cyclone. Basically as the term says, tropical cyclone. So basically this cyclone develops in the tropical area. So tropical area, I had said you in the previous videos also, tropical area lies between 0 to 30 degrees. Okay, so 0 to 30 डिग्री यहां से यहां तक है ये पूरा एरिया. ठीक है, इस एरिया में। सो ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन डेवलप्स हियर, इस सभी जगहों पे ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन डेवलप्स होता है। ओके, इन सभी जगहों पे ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन डेवलप होता है। नाउ हाउ द ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन which develops in the Bay of Bengal. So right now we are studying how this tropical cyclone affects the climate of India. The tropical cyclone which develops in this Bay of Bengal region brings lots of brings heavy rainfall and storm in the coastal part, in the east coast of India, in the east coast of India. बड़े मैप में देखते हैं, इस बे ऑफ बंगाल में जो साइक्लोन डेवलप होता है, दिस साइक्लोन, दिस ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन विच डेवलप्स इन द बे ऑफ बंगाल, these cyclone affects the coastal part, eastern coastal part of the India, affects the eastern coast part of India. अभी recently आपने सुना था तितली साइक्लोन, वो कहाँ, उड़ीसा में आया था। और अभी तुरंत अभी न्यूज में है कि एक साइक्लोन है विच हैज अप्रोच्ड टू तमिलनाडु एंड आंध्र प्रदेश एरिया। Okay, so this cyclone, tropical cyclone brings stormy weather, a stormy condition and heavy rainfall in the coastal part of India. Basically, this brings rain in the coastal part of India. So this is actually a kind of affecting the climate of India. So here we end the factors which affects the climate of India. Right, factors which affects the climate of India. So in this we discussed about latitude factor, altitude factor. In latitude we discussed about the location of India which affects the climate of India. In altitude we discussed about Himalaya, how Himalaya affects the climate of India. In pressure and surface condition we discussed about the which pressure condition affects the climate of India. So the development of low pressure over India affects the attracts the monsoon wind from the southern hemisphere. ठीक है, now then up in upper air circulation we discussed about the jet stream. In western cyclonic disturbances we already discussed this. It's a kind of cyclone which develops in the western part of India and basically it develops in the Mediterranean Sea and it comes to India during winter. Now tropical cyclone develops in the Bay of Bengal and affects the coastal area, east coastal area of India. Thank you.